Welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we're going to be assembling the Krupp Protze, I think that's how you pronounce it, available at miniaturetanks.com. So here we go, let's take this kit and start to work. So take your hobby clippers and cut away at the sprue here, sprue and support plastic. So that's good for that piece. Setting aside the pieces, they're all good. That's good. Well, here we go. Let's do these wheels. Those are needed. It's a bit of a process, but it's needed to cut the sprues from all these tires. There you go. There's all the wheels. Now, cut this, cut this, cut this there, and that. Right. Now, cut that there. That's the trailer hitch, I think. Get this piece there, cut. This is the bumper. The front bumper, and then here is this. Go. And there's a little window, and then let's trim off the sprue from the steering wheel, and then here is this. Cut underneath, I think this is the exhaust pipe or something. Alright, so see how that worked. Alright, cutting away process is done. So the first step, and the most simple step, I think the best way to start with this kit is to glue this front section together. And you can use the... Alright, so be careful, this could have been glued together just a little bit better. It's okay, it's not perfect, but with this Loctite glue, it's very fast bonding, so be careful with that. What you want to do next is, here you go. You want to take and glue this together, like that. So take your glue here. Right. And then take this, get that gluing together. Here you go. Next, let's take some glue there, put it there. Let's put some glue there. Then take this piece, put it like that. Try to make sure that that piece is going in the center there. There you go. And while we're at it, here's some tweezers. Those are important to have. All right, so be careful with this piece. It should be going on like this. So there's a little detail that should be on that way. So let's do that. Essentially, you want to just put some glue like that. Then take and put this like that. There you go. Let's do the other side. Just carefully put this piece on. There you go. So that looks fairly lined up well. Let that dry set. And one thing that I forgot is you need to cut the sprues and then the support underneath this here. So carefully cut away this support plastic underneath this kind of a wheel well type thing for the spare tires. If you have some fine sanding material, sanding supplies, you could use that. But carefully take this plastic off here. Try to clean that up. All right. Yeah, so there's this kit so far. Now let's do some of the finer details stuff. Just putting some glue there. And then we're going to take this tweezer, try to hold on to the steering wheel. Try to that steering wheel on like that. Once you get that in a great position, it'll be good to keep it that way. And here is the windshield. Essentially, I'm gonna put a line of glue like here. There you go. Then do this. One thing I was going to mention is optionally you probably could have this windshield down. I don't know if that's the case with this vehicle. Let me know in the comments. Alright, so it didn't fit quite perfectly. In that case, this is probably something that if you're working with a or tiny scale. This is the HO scale that I'm working with. So careful when you're working with the very tiny scale. It can be quite the task. Just try to trim there, and then I'm going to apply just a tad bit more glue. And then let's put this window down now. Once you think that window is in a good position, just kind of leave it there, let it dry. While that window is drying, let's put on this front bumper. And then here is the front bumper. Done like that. Alright, once you're satisfied with that, that's good. Up next, put some glue on the back piece there. And then let's put on this trailer hitch. That we can tow your artillery. Alright, so what's next is you want to take some glue and put it like that. And then take this piece and put it like that. Right. That's for the kit. Now, what's left is just the wheels. See how I did that? Now, carefully, let's place on the wheels. You would have put it in where the axles in the center of the wheel, There's a spare tire. You can test to make sure. Just place it on the table and make sure all the tires are going down the correct spot. All right. Put that there. Another one there. Put the spare tire there. All right, there it is. As you can see, I struggled just a bit with this kit, and I apologize, but for the most part, from this video, you will be able to know how to assemble this vehicle. Thank you so much for watching. This is available at miniaturetanks.com.